Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you how to change your background for Microsoft Teams meetings. The first thing to be aware of is that there's two types of format of images that you can use as your background in Microsoft Teams, .png and .jpg. So the preferred method is actually the .png file. That's because it doesn't store as much data and it allows Teams to work a little bit better. So we're looking for a .png file of a particular background. So to find backgrounds, you can have something stored in your machine, or you can indeed go onto Google and search for backgrounds. So I'm going to go in here and search for a background. .png to find the .png files. Now, sometimes if when you download them that they don't work, you just have to select a different image. Sometimes it will, there will be a conflict between Teams and a particular picture. So all I can say to you if that happens is just select a different picture, start again. Okay, so I'm going to go in here to images and I'm going to select a background. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to save image as, and I'll make sure I save it into pictures. You can see that it's going into pictures and I'm just going to save it. After that, I'm going to pop over to Teams and I'm going to join my team meeting, whatever meeting it is, so I have it ready for whatever meeting I want. And I'm going to go into the three dots and I'm going to click on Apply Background Effects. So nobody can see what you're doing on your screen at the moment. So this is happening during a meeting, so at the start of a class. So when you go into Apply Background Effects, you can use some of the pre-built ones and you can click on the preview down here. And of course know that others won't see you while you're previewing it. So if I click on the preview here, you can see that I'm now in this school building here. Or if you go down to some of the more interesting ones, you can see now in this one. Or if I go to Add New, so I go to Add New and select the image that I want and click Open. And scroll down to the bottom, the image should be here. Now it is possible that there might be a conflict with Teams and your image and you'll get a little message over here saying it can't be used. All you have to do then is just go and find a different image and use it. If I select this one and click on Preview, sometimes it closes, I just go back in. Preview. Again, people can't see the preview, so there I am on this lovely beach setting. So again, if I don't like it, I can stop the preview, I can click on it, I can remove it, I can go to Add New, and I can try some of the other images. Note that I'll show you on purpose, some of them won't work because there might be a conflict. See, that's a different file type there, so I don't expect that file to work. It's a GIF, a GIF file, so I'm going to click on that and click Open, and it'll tell me here it couldn't be added. So all you do in that case, if your image can't be added, is you just try a different image. So you download a different image and you try again. So you click on Add New and try one of the other images and see will they work. And click on Open. These are all ones I have on my machine. And then if I want to preview it, sometimes it closes on me. Preview. Instead of me sitting in my kitchen, you'll see me sitting on the beach. And when you're happy, all you have to do then is click on Apply and Turn on Video. And when you do that, you are now in class in the Bahamas or wherever you are. And it's as simple as that. You can change them if you want and click Apply. And that's your background during class. Okay, best of luck at the competition. Take care.